The best pressure washers of 2024. Revitalize your space. Picking the perfect product can be tricky with so many choices, but hey, we've got your back. Check out the description for all the deets on the 6 best products and their latest pricing. PowRyte. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile electric pressure washer, you should check out the PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer. This machine can generate up to 3,800 psi of water pressure and 2.4 GPM of water flow, enough to handle any cleaning task. It comes with a foam cannon that sprays thick and dense foam directly onto surfaces, making them easier to clean. It also has 4 different pressure tips for different surfaces and situations. You could choose from 0, 15, 25, and 40 degree tips, depending on the level of pressure and coverage you need. The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer is easy to use and assemble. It has a durable and non-corrosive N-COR pump that requires no maintenance. It also has a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer is an excellent option for anyone who needs a reliable and effective electric pressure washer. Order yours today and enjoy a cleaner and brighter home. Kärcher K1800 PS Cube. Unleash the power of the Kärcher K1800 PS Cube Electric Pressure Washer, your ultimate solution for efficient and versatile cleaning. With a maximum pressure of 2250 psi, powered by True Pressure technology, this compact and portable pressure washer delivers exceptional performance for various cleaning tasks. Whether it's cleaning cars, siding, driveways, fencing, or more, the K1800 Cube tackles every job with ease. Equipped with 3 spray nozzles, this pressure washer offers flexibility for different cleaning applications. The 1.2 GPM flow rate ensures thorough cleaning while conserving water. The compact cube design enhances portability and storage convenience, making it an ideal choice for homeowners. Experience hassle-free cleaning with Kärcher's renowned quality and innovation. Elevate your outdoor cleaning routine with the K1800 PS Cube, a reliable and powerful electric pressure washer designed for exceptional results on a variety of surfaces. Westinghouse EPX 3100. The Westinghouse EPX 3100 electric pressure washer is a powerful and compact machine that can handle any cleaning task. It delivers 2300 max psi of pressure and 1.76 max GPM of water flow, enough to blast away dirt, grime, oil, and more from any surface. It features a unique anti-tipping design with 4 quick-lock wheels that allow 360-degree steering and maneuverability. It also has an onboard soap tank and 5 quick connect nozzle tips for different cleaning needs. The Pro-style steel wand and the Easy Coil nylon braided hose make it easy to use and store. The Total Stop system automatically stops the pump when the trigger's not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the pump life. The Westinghouse Electric Pressure Washer is backed by a 3-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support. It's the perfect option for anyone who wants a reliable and effective electric pressure washer for their home, car, patio, and more. The Hao Tool. In our pursuit of heightened intelligence, our research and development team has elevated the functionality of the washing machine by incorporating a user-friendly touchscreen. This interface offers 3 distinct gears: soft, medium, and strong, allowing effortless adjustment using the plus and minus buttons to control varying pressure levels. Accompanying these features are a soap bottle and 4 versatile nozzles, 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees, enabling customization to fulfill diverse cleaning requirements. The handle has undergone a thoughtful upgrade to enhance user experience. Now boasting a retractable aluminum handle, it can be adjusted to accommodate users of varying heights, ensuring a universally comfortable grip. Additionally, 2 sizable wheels facilitate easy transportation, while the 16.5-foot power cord and 20-foot hose provide an extensive reach to various spaces, including courtyards, streets, balconies, garages, and more. To conserve energy and prolong the pump's lifespan, the pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is disengaged and equipped with an explosion-proof inner layer. The high-pressure hose ensures safety, while the 16.5-foot power cord incorporates inline GFCI for secure use in all exterior outlets. Distinctively, our smart washing machine achieves a maximum pressure of 4,200 psi, courtesy of a potent 1800-watt universal motor, generating a robust 2.8 GPM water flow. Ideal for swiftly and effectively eliminating dirt and grime, our electric pressure washers excel in tasks such as cleaning decks, terraces, driveways, siding, sheds, cars, outdoor power equipment, and more. DEWALT DW-PW2100. If storage is your primary concern, and with a rarely used item like a pressure washer, it might be, we recommend the DEWALT DW-PW2100 Max PSI Electric Job Site Cold Water Pressure Washer. Everything about this model's design is focused on making it easy to stow away. Its biggest flaw is that the hose is very stiff. There's a real satisfaction to storing the DEWALT. Pressure washers take up a good amount of space. There's always a hose, a cord, and a spray wand flopping around. So even the small ones aren't exactly neat, tidy packages. Every detail of this DEWALT is designed to reduce that frustration. All the parts and accessories are stored within the rectangular roll bar frame. The cord tucks into one side and the hose into the other. The wand breaks down into 3 pieces and slides into a compartment on the side. The spray nozzles are stored on the handle of the spray wand. Because the end result is so perfectly boxy, the DEWALT DW-PW2100 can store on its narrow end or have things stacked on top of it. It's easy to maneuver around, and while it doesn't have a big handle or big wheels, the easy-to-grab roll cage means there's a lot of options for carrying it, which ended up being our preferred method of moving it. If that's awkward for you, it also has a retractable handle and small wheels. The wheels are like rollerblade wheels and work far better than the small plastic ones that are found on most pressure washers. Suyncll SY 3800. This power washer is endowed with a multitude of safety features, including an IPX5 waterproof case, a gun safety lock, a GFCI protected plug, a metal water inlet, and a leak-proof switch. These measures are meticulously integrated to optimize safety and enhance the machine's operational lifespan. The power cord is further fortified with an inline GFCI, ensuring secure use across all exterior outlets. Innovating its functionality, the pressure washer introduces a novel adjustable spray pressure nozzle, simplifying usage and customization. A mere twist of the nozzle allows you to seamlessly transition the water jet from a concentrated cylindrical shape, ideal for intensive washing, to a fan shape, perfect for more delicate cleaning tasks. The power motor attains a remarkable maximum cleaning power of 3.9 GPM, catering to a spectrum of cleaning needs. Whether it's removing dust and grime from cars, ships, RVs, driveways, decks, or terraces, this high-pressure washer excels in its versatility. Featuring an ergonomic rod design, the electric pressure washer is effortlessly portable, facilitating easy transportation to any location. For added convenience, hooks and brackets are incorporated, enabling the tidy storage of all accessories on the machine and averting the risk of loss. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.